Okay, so I want to go over the two problems that you did in the warm-up today. And before we do that, I want to take you back to the definition of a logarithm from yesterday's lesson. So the definition of a logarithm is just rearranging these three pieces. So when you're in exponential form, you have a base raised to an exponent, and there's an answer on the other side that I call the other guy. And then if you want to rearrange that into logarithmic form, what was the exponent in exponential form goes by itself in logarithmic form. It's all alone on one side of the equal sign. The base for the logarithm matches the base for the exponential. And then this third piece that goes inside is the one that's left over. So that's the other guy. You need to memorize how to rearrange the three pieces to be successful in this chapter. So down here, to rewrite this in logarithmic form, and this is exponential form right now, by the way, because it matches this structure. It has a base to a power equals something else. So right now it's exponential form. We want to change it to that form. So to do that, we want to identify the base, the exponent, and the other guy. Once you've identified those, you switch to logarithmic form. What was the exponent goes by itself. That's equal to log with a base of 3. And then the other guy goes inside the log. And that's it. For rewriting this one in exponential form, if you have log form, this is log form because it has the same structure as up here. It has log in it, and we want to change to exponential form. We want to identify the three pieces. So the one that's by itself here, the number 2, is what's going to be the exponent. Right now, it's not an exponent. It's the same level as log, same level as 7, the same size as those. But when we change the form, it's going to be an exponent. The subscript here is the base for the logarithm. It will be the base in exponential form. And the third piece here is the other guy. Whatever's inside of the log is the other guy. Once we've identified the three pieces, we raise the base to the exponent, and that is equal to the other guy. So if you're having any difficulties here, I have two recommendations for you. One is you need to memorize the rearranging of the three terms. You have to memorize where the three pieces go. The second recommendation I have is that you actually label exponent, base, and other guy. Students tend to skip this eventually, but if you are having any difficulty with this, you really need to label those. Don't skip that step at this point. Hope that helped. One last note, the two sides are interchangeable. So that's why in my answer key, I show that you can also have log base, here's how you say it, log base 3 of c equal to d. And over here, you could have 7 equals b squared. So the two sides are interchangeable once you have it written.